Hello dear guys, it's me Latibs back, and today I'm going to show you a cheap PC build. We're going into a price range of $500 to be exact, $462. Well, this is a pretty cheap build, so if you are willing to spend 200 bucks more or maybe 300, that is a great decision because you can get a dope build for $800. This is basically a cheap one, so don't expect ultra on Far Cry or something like that. You can maybe you can get to ultra, but yeah, let's keep it low. So yeah, we are going to use the processor called AMD Athlon X4 860K Black Edition. This is a great budget processor for only $69. Its original price is $151. So this is a great deal. It's pretty fast. It can compete with the i3 or maybe the lowest i5. So let's get to the card back. And for the motherboard, we are going to use the MSI computer, which is a pretty cheap motherboard, but it will get the job done. It is a pretty fast motherboard which has an HDMI, a USB 3.0 port, and it runs the fourth generator processor, and it's basically all around great motherboard. So it is pretty good looking too, and I would really recommend it. This is a micro ATX, so our build will be micro ATX. Then let's go to the drive, internal hard drive to be precise. We're going to use the WD Blue 1 TB desktop hard disk drive. This is a great SATA 3 drive for only $53. It's the Amazon's first bestseller. I personally use this one. I would not recommend Seagate because it gets pretty damn slow. Yeah, I just love this one. It's not the best, but it will get the job done. For the memory, we're going to use the Crucial Ballistic Sport 8 GB kit. This has a pretty dope sound. Yeah, sounds. Sorry for that. My thumb just got twisted. So, yeah, it's for $35, originally 100, and I just love it. Like, there's nothing wrong with this. We can basically go for hyper random, but I like this one more, and I just don't know. It doesn't look so good, but you know, if it's cheap, I'm gonna get it. So yeah. Oh, I edited. Oh come on, this happens all over time. So yeah, then we go through the power supply. 500 watts would be probably enough for everything in this one, but to be sure, we are going to use the 600 watt one. It goes for 44.99, and the 500 one goes for 45. So this is a bad deal, but for 600 watt, it's a great deal. It is the EVGA 600B bronze power supply. So it goes great with our processor and our graphics card. And yeah, I know we can go for the CM600, CX 600, but it is $20. I don't know, the difference is pretty big, and I just like this one, so we are using this one. Let's get to the graphics card. And this I would not recommend if this would be full price. Right now it has a crazy deal, 89 bucks, and like for $180 you can get one of the coolest or the best graphics card for the budget. This is one, like the one that I use, but I am so angry because I paid the full price, 270, and I just didn't know what to do. I was like, what? And yeah, I would just rage quit. So yeah, we are going to use this one. It can run Far Cry easily, but not on Ultra. Battlefield 4 Ultra easily, and GTA 5 probably Ultra easy. Now we go to the case. I have another case on a Slovenian side. I know you can't use it, but let me just show it. It's for $22.40 or euros, which is about $25. But you know, in Slovenia that is pretty cheap. It's not the best looking, but it's not the worst looking. Okay, so it is a micro ADX, and it has USB 3.0 and a USB 2.0. Just like I I know there is none, or there isn't an HDMI, but you know, I just don't miss it. To be fair, I like this case. My brother uses it, so I will be quiet. But here we have a dope looking Scion Performance Micro ADX tower case. I just love it. It's for 27 bucks. It is so good looking. This fan, I love it. It has the LEDs. Oh my god, I'm in love. I am in love. It's not the best rate, but you know, for $27, I would just take it. I would take it every day of the week. So, yeah, this is the build. I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, just stay awesome, stay amazing. And I'm going to do a giveaway in probably 5 days. Just subscribe and like it. And see you later, alligators. Ladips out.